Yeah. Hi everyone. Today I have come with a new trigger scenario. So the trigger will be like whenever contact is created, so automatically user should be created. So this trigger will. So I'm going to tell like how the code I have wrote and what challenges I have faced and what error I have got. So yeah. So this trigger will basically on contact, and after the contact is inserted, the after the so we are using after insert because after contact is inserted the user will be created. And for this I just like inside for like we are using trigger dot new. So after contact is created the user should be automatically created. So for user the new user will be created. So for this the contact last name will be user's last name, and obviously we should give email is mandatory in contact. So then the contact's email will be the user's email and the username. So yeah, this one is very like unique. In this we will be getting error like the username should be unique and it should be in the form of email address. So in this I just add a string and with integers so that always it will be a unique. And then alias, these are all the mandatory field for the user, like the user should be active and time zone language. So these are all the unique field. And yeah, profile, and profile is mandatory for the user. So for profile I just created one list for the profile, and I for now I'm just creating all the user on this profile, chatter external user profile. And I'm just calling in profile id the user, we will be getting that list id. So I'm using array. I have just updating that profile id in that user id. And why am and I have just here wrote like the profile list whenever the profile list size is greater than 0, so the profile id should be updated. Otherwise I'm getting this error like over the list bound index error. To bypass this I have just used this this list bound error we get like whenever that profile is don't have any record, it has like in the list it has a zero data, so we will be hitting that list bound error. So overcome this I have used this. And just yeah, now I'm just inserting this user, the user, I've just added the user in one list. And yeah, so I'm just showing how the user is created. Like whenever contact is now creating, the user should be automatically created. Yeah, so SC8 and CL.com. Okay. Yeah, now in the name of test C8 the user will be created. Yeah, you can see test C8 the user is created on the chatter profile. Okay, so this is a scenario which we'll get in live project. So I just showed you a simple scenario. With this, you can using like batch. By using batch, also we can create the automatic users for a lot of the contact. So it's depend upon the scenario. So yeah, so I think this will be benefited and it's a good scenario. Please subscribe my channel and share with everyone. Thank you.